Property identification codes are an important element of livestock traceability. Learn how to update your PIC in this 5-minute video.
You will need to update your PIC if you change contact details, hire a new farm manager, the property on which your livestock are located changes ownership, or you lease, purchase or sell land. Before amending your PIC, you will need your PIC, the email address registered to your PIC, and access to that email inbox. If you don't have these three things, please call our contact helpline on 1800 678 779. To update your PIC, open an internet browser and type pic.agriculture.vic.gov.au into your address bar, then type enter. Select Amend an existing PIC, enter your PIC and email address, then click Continue. The system will send an email to that address you supplied. Open your email inbox and find the email from pic.victoria@ecodev.vic.gov.au. Click on the link to confirm your identity. For security reasons, this link will expire in 1 hour. To update your contact details, click the green Edit button. Your postal address is where your mail is sent. Check all the contact details and amend anything that is missing or incorrect. If the livestock on this PIC are co-owned by another person or business, their details can be added as a joint owner. If you are sharing land but each person has their own livestock, apply for separate PICs. To add a joint owner, click here and enter their details. Save those changes to update your PIC. Your farm manager is the person who can be contacted regarding the day-to-day operations of the land registered to your PIC. If your farm manager has changed, enter the new manager's details and save the changes. The property owner is the person who can be contacted regarding the ownership of the land registered to your PIC. If these details have changed, enter the new property owner details and save the changes. Next, we need to confirm or update the property details. This section displays all the properties or parcels of land registered to your PIC. It also highlights which is your primary property. Your primary property is the main property where you keep your livestock. To add more land or change your primary property, click Edit. You can enter an additional property or parcel of land to the same PIC, provided it is in the same or neighbouring local government area. If you are keeping livestock in other non-adjoining localities, you will need an additional PIC. To add a new property, search for the area on the map and click the land to add it to your addresses. To change your primary property, click on the appropriate listing. Remove any land no longer in use or accidentally added by clicking the cross. You may want to enter a smaller parcel of land than the system automatically selects. To do this, click Further Instructions and tick the box that says Let me select parcels of land. Now choose the parcel of land where you are keeping livestock. When all your properties and parcels have been added, save the change. Finally, confirm or update livestock on your PIC. This can be an estimate if you're unsure of the exact number of livestock you have or don't currently have the livestock but plan to keep them in the near future. When you are satisfied the livestock figures are indicative of your property, save them. Review all your changes. Now read the acknowledgement and click if you agree. Now continue and confirm those changes. Allow 7 days for your PIC changes to go through. You'll receive a confirmation email when this has occurred. If you have any difficulty amending your PIC, talk to the friendly staff at the Agriculture Victoria NLAS helpline on 1800 678 779 between 9 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. Monday to Friday. For more information about PICs, go to the Agriculture Victoria website.